It's a pleasant surprise for Chennai commuters who are braving the hot and humid weather conditions while traveling every day for work. The Southern Railways has launched the first of its kind AC trains here in Chennai, connecting Chennai beach all the way to Chengalpattu. It is a 60-kilometer stretch, of course, one of the most busiest stretches here in Chennai. The prices will range from as low as 35 rupees all the way up to 105 rupees, of course, depending on where you are getting down. The route covers Chennai Beach, Egmore, Mambalam, Guduvancheri, Poteri, Singaperumal Kovil, Paranur, and all the way to Chengalpattu. It is, of course, one of the most busiest heavy footfall stretches, and that really explains why the Southern Railways has chosen this particular stretch. And that feature that you see over there is an emergency talkback unit that's put here where you can directly communicate to the one who is driving the train. Surely it has been kept here for safety purposes. I also want to show you another interesting feature. Every single coach is equipped with automatically sliding doors resembling what you see in a typical metro train. This also has sensory features equipped over here. This entire coach, it is completely air conditioned with 3 coaches exclusively reserved for ladies. In fact, the Southern Railways had brought one such AC train in Mumbai suburbs, and following huge success over there, they've decided to bring it here in Chennai as well. I just want to show you another CCTV that's equipped over there, thereby enhancing the safety features a lot more. Ma'am, are you studying? Are you a university student?
Yeah.
What does this AC train mean to you?
In this Chennai heat, I think it is very important to have trains like this. This initiative is really good. I can easily travel. It's fast and it's safe for women because ladies' coach is there, and it's also very clean. So it's very useful.
Alright. Well, surely the smile on the commuters' faces explains it all. Automatically sliding doors, CCTV features, an emergency talkback unit, making it all the more safer for ladies. And topping it all is the fact that this is an air-conditioned train, the first in Chennai, just in time when the summer is rolling in. One of the best initiative just ahead of the summer season. With camera person Divyan, Anaga Keshav reporting for India Today from Chennai.